Yes, it's chainsaws and toasters. It's Halloween and it's a more spin Monday. Can we do it? Can we be nice? Can we make some magic happen for good old Halloween? Let's hope so. All right, guys, we got 50 spins and hopefully the magic will happen. So, without further ado, happy Halloween all. Let's see if chainsaws and toasters will be nice. Here we go. With a good sound. Come on. Come on, chainsaws. Like that top line for 25 times. Hope everyone is going to enjoy their Halloween. Man, 5 times 7s. We need something, otherwise Huey's going to get mad. That's not good news. The consolation cherry. When we wanted the 5 times. Come on, chainsaws. And the toasters. Really want to know why that combination. Come on, chainsaws. Come on, gimme. You need to join the party. For 20,000. Come on. Maybe we gotta mix it up. Alright, at least you landed on the line. How about one more time? Alright. Now that I've got it out of sync. Chainsaws, chainsaws, chainsaws. Hey. Thank you. Do it again, please. Keep them coming, cherries. Chainsaws and toasters. Back down 200. Oh, man. times are you going to come out there and tease me? And why do you make the sound? Actually, you make it on every reel, so at least the first reel, it's warranted. Toasters on the line. Thank you. Oh, 25 times single bars. Little hand pay. Actually, decent hand pay. Who am I kidding? 2,500? Why not? Again with that tease. Five times. You. Double. Oh, man. That's been a sweet hit for 200. Bring me right back to almost even. I think we're going halfway. Hopefully this last spin will bring us right back up. All right, cherries, make it interesting. Come on, something. Oh, man. Oh, you knew I was going to cash out just for that, right? All right, I'll give you one more just because. And now I'll give you one more and go right back to 250. Thank you, cherries, as always. Gotta print it. But we're going to do something else. Little Titanic. I want to try a couple of spins here with the cherries. Why not? That was 50 spins over at Chainsaws. Wasn't really a happy Halloween. But let's see if we can't do a little damage here instead. Not going to go crazy, just a couple spins, maybe go around and just do some more here and there and just make this kind of a semi-live More Spin Monday with the Halloween-esque theme. All right, come on. Be nice, triple cherry. You know I'm doing $10 spins here. I see you, cherry. Come on. All right. Thank you. Bring your friends. All right, going down quick now. Time to hit. All right, all right. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Man, thought it was going to be 9 times. Guess not, but still happy. Thank you, Triple Cherry. Thank you very much. Can you do it again now? Cheers. Let's not be greedy. It's only $100 now. We'll do something. Walk over, don't worry. How about some double hearts? This could be some sort of Hollow-esque theme, right? Just if they were bleeding or something like that. Old school's getting a little wacky. All right, $10 spins here. Maybe a $5 spin or two. And we'll give it $100. All right, here we go. Join the party. Any sevens? Wow. $1,000. Oh man, just get on the line for me, please. You're showing up. Let's mix it up a little bit. Come on. Everybody get on the line. Ooh. $7. Oh, you keep teasing me. Keep teasing. Thank you, cherries. 2 more spins. Let's make them good. All right, last one. All right, cherries, making it dramatic. And again, Halloween miracle. Nope, not gonna happen, guys. But I hope you enjoyed that. Little action. Too bad it couldn't have been a $2,000 win instead of a $200 loss. But we thank you for your support. Happy Halloween. Play the old school slots while we can. And as always, cheers all. Red, white, and blue deluxe in a $1 version with $30 in there. You know what that means, guys. It's Bucks and Banter time. Today, Trips with Tom asks, how long do you record your play to make each video? Do you use a cell phone or a camera, and what kind? Well, you can see exactly how I record my videos many times in the reflections or on the sides of the slots, sometimes directly on the slot machine. It's just an iPhone. Sometimes it's on a tripod, but most of the time I'm holding it in my hand, which, to be perfectly honest, is the place that I prefer to record, as I have more fun playing slots just holding it rather than having it sitting on a tripod and having to move it around, blah, blah, blah. My videos are as long as you see them, and especially with my new semi-live play, you see exactly how long I'm recording each video, as the camera really never stops. And I really like recording that way, and I hope you guys do enjoy it as well. Jack M asks, when did the AC casinos loosen their rules for filming slot play? I remember hearing the Golden Nugget was the only one.
Well, I'm no expert on the AC casinos, to say the least, but I do know that NJ Slot Guy and Top Dollar Mike filmed almost exclusively at the Golden Nugget. However, Bally's has become more friendly, as well as resorts to an extent. And I honestly think that more and more casinos are learning the value of YouTube channels coming in and promoting their properties, and hopefully this trend will continue. So as always, guys, I thank you for your Bucks and Banter questions. If you have a Bucks and Banter question, you can ask it in any video, hashtag BB, or put Bucks and Banter, and it might be answered in an upcoming video. It doesn't look like red, white, and blue is going to do anything especially nice for old school. I don't think we're going to give the full $30 back, as it did give me a little bit of action here. Let's see what happens in this last spin right now. Nope, not going to happen, guys. Cheers all. Thank you so much for your support and your love of old school slots.